How to eliminate feedback from an acoustic guitar on stage. An Audio Masterclass website visitor has a problem amplifying his acoustic guitar on stage. Welcome to the Audio Masterclass podcast. I'm David Mellor, Course Director of Audio Masterclass. Come and visit us at audiomasterclass.com and discover more topics like this in the Audio Masterclass newsletter at audiomasterclass.com/newsletter. A question from an Audio Masterclass website visitor. How can I eliminate feedback from an acoustic guitar in a live show? Also, sometimes I use a Shure SM57 to mic congas because my band has an acoustic African setup, and it also sometimes gives me feedback. What shall I do to get rid of the feedback? Okay, this is 2 questions for the price of 1. Firstly, the acoustic guitar. Feedback happens when the sound from the loudspeakers gets back to the source microphone or instrument and is re-amplified, returning again at an even higher level. The familiar oscillation of feedback, or howl round, is heard. Feedback is a problem with microphones, electroacoustic guitars with pickups, which I'll assume is what you're talking about, and can also be an issue with record turntables. Concentrating on the electroacoustic guitar, the first part of the solution is to make sure that the loudspeakers are pointing away from the guitar. If you do this, there is less sound to come back and be re-amplified. Secondly, the guitar can be made more feedback resistant. The body of an acoustic guitar is designed to resonate and transfer the energy of the vibrating strings to the air efficiently. Unfortunately, it will work very efficiently in the other direction too. It will take sound energy out of the air and transfer it to the strings. So feedback is a likely occurrence, even when the signal is coming from the pickup and not from a microphone. The solution, therefore, is to make the body of the guitar less efficient as a resonator. One solution is to block up the sound hole. Proprietary sound hole blockers are available, but you could perhaps improvise your own. This should be enough. If it isn't, then the guitar can be partially filled with damping material. I would recommend the same materials that I use for acoustic absorption in the studio, which you can easily search for online. Now, the congas. Damping won't work because you're using a microphone to pick up the acoustic sound of the congas. The trick here is once again to point the loudspeakers away from the congas, but also point the microphone away from the loudspeakers. Rearrange your setup so that this is possible. Also, place the mic as close to the drums as you can. This might mean some compromise in sound quality, but it will give greater resistance against feedback. I'm David Mellor, Course Director of Audio Masterclass. Thank you for listening. Come and visit us at audiomasterclass.com and discover more topics like this in the Audio Masterclass newsletter at audiomasterclass.com/newsletter.